This is a wood gas stove. I really like these projects for wood gas and rocket stoves you can find, and also gas alcohol backpacking stoves made out of Sprite cans or Coke cans. And this is a wood gas stove, and like I said, you can find directions on YouTube how to make these. And it's a paint can with some holes. The bottom's drilled out. This is hot because it was just still got some embers in it. The bottom is drilled out, and there's a progressive soup can. Makes the inner burn chamber, and then there's holes in the side and in the bottom of the progressive soup can. The progressive soup can just fits right under that lip there, so you don't have to really do anything but cut the top off the progressive soup can, and then it fits in this right there, and then you just put pine cones in there, light it up. It lights really easy with the match, with pine cone, dry one. And then this fire ring elevates your pan, so it lets the flame, the hot gases kind of rise up and burn. But this really isn't high enough, and they make it with this window so you can add fuel, but I don't really think something a little higher would work better, so I make a modification to use this. That's I think that's a fruit can. And I've cut the top and bottom out, made some holes, and then some divots to let the flames get through. So we're going to see how fast this takes to boil 2 cups of water. So I'm going to put a nice dry pine cone. Make sure the pine cone is open. If it's closed, that means it's not dry. Actually, I think it works a little better if you put the pine cone in upside down. It kind of catches the heat better. So just get that going with the match. And then we'll put that on and we'll start the timer. We got a nice rolling boil, and it's been 7 minutes. And I've done this a few times. It takes about 7 or 8 minutes. And about 4 pine cones. So I'll just, when the flame dies down, I'll lift up, throw another pine cone in, and put this back on the heat. And yeah, so not as quick as a jet boil, not as quick as my alcohol stove with a wind guard, but you don't have to carry your fuel with you. So if you can stand to wait for hot water a few extra minutes, it's not bad. Alright, well, it's kind of burned down a little bit. As opposed to a jet boil or an alcohol pop can stove, you know, this does get hot, and so you're going to have to kind of let it cool down. As far as room in your pack, oh, that fits in there nicely, and so, you know, that's about put some matches and some different things inside that, and cools off pretty quickly once all the hot coals are dumped out, and that's pretty light. It's pretty light. So it's a progressive soup can. That's kind of like a cubed fruit can, or a pineapple, kind of pineapple can. And then that's a paint can. And they're pretty easy to make. Like I said, the benefit here is it does take a little bit longer to boil water, but you don't have to carry fuel with you.